Close your eyes for a moment. You are in a cafe. Someone smiles at you and speaks English.
You understand the words. You feel calm. You answer naturally.
No fear. No translating in your head.
Today, we will train your mind using 10 real everyday English phrases.
These are phrases real people use every day.
And by the end of this video, English will feel easier for you.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel.
We are very happy you are here today.
This lesson is perfect for A2 and B1 learners.
Beginner to lower intermediate English.
We will speak slowly.
We will use simple words.
And we will practice together.
This is not a boring lesson.
This is brain training.
You will repeat.
You will answer questions.
You would do short role plays with us.
So relax, smile.
Mistakes are welcome here.
Let's start with our first phrase. Imagine this. You are in a store.
A worker comes to you and says, "Can I help you?"
You don't need help.
You don't want to buy anything now.
You say, "I'm just looking."
"I'm just looking" means you are only looking.
You are not ready to buy.
Native speakers use this phrase all the time.
Quick story. I was in a shoe store last week.
He looked at every shoe.
The worker came again and again.
And every time he smiled and said, "I'm just looking."
Polite, simple, natural.
Let's practice.
Repeat after me. I'm just looking.
Again. I'm just looking.
Now say it by yourself.
Good job.
Let's move to the next phrase.
This phrase is very useful.
That makes sense.
This means, "I understand," or "Okay, I get it."
Your teacher explains something.
Your friend explains a rule.
You listen and then say, "That makes sense." Short story.
My friend explained his job to me for 10 minutes.
At the end, what did you say?
I said, "That makes sense."
Did it really?
Not 100%, but it sounded good.
Repeat after me. That makes sense.
Again, that makes sense.
Quick check. Someone explains a rule to you. You understand. What do you say?
That makes sense.
Yes.
Next phrase.
I'm not sure.
This phrase is honest and friendly.
It means you don't know.
Or you need time to think.
Someone asks, "Do you want tea or coffee?"
You don't know.
You say, "I'm not sure."
Story time.
Every time I ask him where to eat.
I say, "I'm not sure."
Every time.
English is easy. Decisions are hard.
Say it with me. I'm not sure.
One more time. I'm not sure.
Next phrase.
Give me a second.
This means wait a little.
It does not mean 1 second.
Your phone rings.
You are busy.
You say, "Give me a second."
Native speakers say this very often.
Sometimes a second is 1 minute.
Sometimes 5 minutes.
Practice time. Repeat, "Give me a second." Faster, "Give me a second."
Nice. That sounds natural.
Next phrase.
It depends.
This means the answer is not simple.
Someone asks, "Is English easy?"
You say, "It depends."
Depends on what?
Practice, time, confidence.
Let's test you.
Is coffee good or bad?
The best answer is, it depends.
Good job.
Let's do a short role play.
I ask first. Can you finish this today?
I'm not sure. It depends. Now your turn. Can you help me right now?
You answer, "Give me a second."
Perfect.
Next phrase.
No worries.
This means it's okay.
Or, no problem.
Someone says, "Sorry I'm late."
You say, no worries.
This phrase is very friendly.
Very natural.
Short story.
I say sorry all the time.
Me too.
People say, no worries, and I feel better.
Say it with us. No worries.
Again, no worries.
Next phrase.
What do you mean?
This is a very important question.
You don't understand something.
You don't panic.
You say, What do you mean?
This phrase is not rude.
Just say it kindly.
Practice time.
Repeat. What do you mean?
Good.
Quick quiz.
Someone says something confusing.
What do you say?
What do you mean? Yes.
Next phrase.
Let me check.
This phrase is very useful at work.
Someone asks you a question.
You don't know the answer now.
You say, let me check.
This sounds professional.
And polite.
Repeat after me. Let me check.
Again, let me check.
Nice.
Next phrase.
Sounds good.
This means you agree.
Someone says, let's meet at 6.
You say, sounds good.
This phrase is very common.
Very friendly.
Practice.
Sounds good.
Perfect.
Last phrase.
I'll get back to you.
This means you will answer later.
You need time.
You don't disappear.
You say, I'll get back to you.
Very natural.
Very professional.
Repeat slowly. I'll get back to you.
Faster. I'll get back to you.
Great.
Let's do one final role play.
Can you send the file now?
Give me a second. Let me check.
Okay.
I'll get back to you.
Now you try.
Do you want to join us later?
You answer, I'm not sure. I'll get back to you.
Excellent.
Final quiz.
Choose the best phrase.
You agree with a plan.
Sounds good.
You need time to answer.
I'll get back to you.
You don't understand.
What do you mean?
Amazing work today.
You learned 10 real everyday English phrases.
These phrases help your brain think in English.
Use them every day.
Remember, fluency is not perfect English.
It is feeling comfortable,
You are improving.
step by step.
If this lesson helped you, subscribe to the channel
Write a comment below. Which phrase will you use today?
and tell us where you are watching from.
Our next video will help you stop translating in your head.
See you there.
Keep going. You can do this.